So in this video, we will learn how to convert files from Google Drive in CloudConvert, also upload them on pCloud. Now suppose guys, you and your team members are constantly adding some new files into your Google Drive and you want to convert those files into a specific format, for example PDFs, and you want to upload that converted files into your pCloud account. Now let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be uploading a new file on Google Drive. And the action will be converting those newly uploaded files using CloudConvert, and then at last uploading those converted files into your pCloud storage. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And now we can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Google Drive to CloudConvert to pCloud. So basically all the three applications which we are going to use in this video. And let's click on create. So now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new files which we are uploading on our Google Drive in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will be converting the file format of those files using Pabbly Connect and CloudConvert. And at last, we will be uploading those newly converted files into our desired format into pCloud. Okay, so let's suppose me and my team members are constantly updating new files on our Google Drive. We are keep on uploading new files in different file formats in Google Drive. And I want all of those newly uploaded files should be added as a PDF. All of those files should be converted into PDFs, and the PDF of those new files should be uploaded in my pCloud account just for a backup. So using this automation, we can achieve this. So let's begin. So here in trigger window in choose app, we will search for first Google Drive because we want to get the new files from Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. After that, in trigger event from the drop down, select new file. Click on connect and select add new connection. And here guys, we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Google Drive button, select your Google Drive account, scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see that our Google Drive account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, then we will click on save and send test request. The most latest file which we have uploaded on our Google Drive, the details of that file will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And guys, before we click on save and send test request, we are going to upload a new file on our Google Drive. So I will go to my Google Drive and this is a particular folder named as new files. So I will be uploading a new file over here. A file upload. Let's go to download. This is the image file. And let's upload it. So guys, we have uploaded an image. This image is right now present in PNG format. And this is the image. And I want that whenever this file or a new file is uploaded in Google Drive, that data should be come into Pabbly Connect. So we have uploaded our test file. Now we'll go to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. Now as we click on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, we can see the details of the same file which we have just now uploaded on our Google Drive. So the most latest file which we have uploaded on Google Drive, we have the details, like we have the name of the file, we have the file type, then we will scroll down and we will see we have the link of the file as well. So this is the web view link of the file. After this web view link or web content link, we will see some other details like that at what date and time this file was uploaded and other details of this newly uploaded file over here. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now completed. Now let's move to step 2. So we have received the new files uploaded on Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. Now we have to do? We have to change the format of this file. So here we can see that this file is currently present in PNG format. And we are taking an example of PDF, like we want to convert all of the files in PDF format. But it is most likely possible that the next file which I upload can be in JPG format or some other format. But to convert all of these files into PDF, we have to mention the current file format, that what is the current file format of the file to which we are converting. Let me show you. But first we will just scroll down and come to this action window. And here in choose app, we will search for Cloud Convert. Select Cloud Convert. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select Convert a file. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Cloud Convert account with Pabbly Connect. Now to do so, just click on this Connect with Cloud Convert button. And because I have already logged into my Cloud Convert account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and made the connection. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the file URL. That what is the URL of the file whose format we want to change or we want to convert. So from Google Drive, we have received this URL of the file which we have just now uploaded. So we have this web content link and we have to basically map this same link of the file uploaded on Google Drive over here in this file URL. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below from the responses of Google Drive, we can see all the details, all the response which we have received of a newly uploaded file from Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. We can see all of those responses over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response of web content link and map it. After mapping this link, the next thing it asks us is the input format. That right now in which format this file is present. So as I told you, it is most likely possible that right now this image is present or this file is present in PNG format. But most likely the next file which I will be uploading can be a JPG file, a JPEG file or a MP3 or MP4 file, something like that. So guys, the extension or the format of the file in which we are getting from Google Drive is not constant. So what we are going to do, we will be extracting the file format from the file name. So whenever we get the file name, we get the format or the extension of the file as well. And to extract it, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect and that is text formatter. So just click on this Add Actions tab button below Cloud Convert and Google Drive step. And then in Choose App here, search for text formatter. Select text formatter. After that, in action event from the drop down, select Split Text. Click on Connect. And now it is asking us text to split. So we want to separate the file name and file extension from this response of file newly uploaded file name. So what we have to do, we have to map this response to whom we want to split over here in text to split. Just click here and from the drop down from the responses which we have received from Google Drive, select the response of file name and it is mapped. After that, it is asking us for the separator. So we will be using full stop, this dot, this period as the separator. And after that, in segment index from the drop down, select all and click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as we click on Save and Send Test Request, in the response, we can see that the text before and after this full stop, this dot is separated. So we have the name of the file as a separate response and the extension, the format of the file as separate response. And now what we will be doing, we are going to map this response of the format of the file over here in this input format. So we just have to click on this mapping button on, but before that, let's reconnect it. Click on Connect first. Right now, because we have connected our Cloud Convert account over here, just select Existing Connection and click on Save. Then just click on this mapping button. Just turn on this mapping button in front of input format. Clear this response and then from the drop down from the responses of text formatter by Pabbly, select the response of the file format. So in this way, we have received the format of the file as an extension in the file name. So using text formatter, we have separated the file name and retrieved just the extension. And then we have mapped that extension of the file in this input format field of CloudConvert convert a file. Now after that, after mentioning the input format, the format in which this file is present right now, it is asking us for the output format, that in which format we want to convert this file. So in the drop down below, we can see a long list of different formats, and we want to convert these files into PDFs. So we will be selecting PDFs from here. Then after that, it is asking us for the file name, and the help text below file name says provide a file name including extension for the output file. So we have to give this file, the newly converted file, a name, and that too with the extension of the file format. So we won't be changing the name of the file, we will be just changing the format. So in text formatter, after splitting the file name and file extension, we have also received the response of file name. So we will be mapping this response of file name over here in this field. And as we all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and from the drop down below, from the responses of text formatter, select the response of file name and it will be mapped. But it is also asking us to include the file extension. So we are converting all of these files into PDF format. So all of the new files will be in PDF. So I'm manually adding this .pdf after mapping the file name as the extension. After this, guys, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the files whose link which we have mapped over here, basically the file which we have just now uploaded on Google Drive in PNG format, the format of that file is converted into PDF and it is stored in our CloudConvert account. But here in this response, we can't see the URL or the link of the file, of the PDF file which we have converted just now. So what we have to do, guys, we have to basically retrieve the file, retrieve the converted file from our CloudConvert account. And we are going to use this job ID which we have received in response. Now, how we are going to retrieve this file URL or file link using this job ID? Now, to do so, we will just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. And here in Choose App, once again, we will search for CloudConvert. CloudConvert it is, select it, and in Action Event from the drop down, select Get Job Details. Click on Connect. Now, because we have connected our CloudConvert account in the previous step, select Existing Connection and click on Save. Then after connecting it, the next thing it asks us is the job ID. So the job ID which we have received in response from CloudConvert after converting the file, we have to map this same job ID over here. Just click on this field, and from the drop down below, from the responses of CloudConvert, select the response of job ID and map it. And after mapping this job ID, click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, we can see the result file URL of the newly converted file in the PDF format, and the format in which we want to convert. So we will just copy this URL, we will open it in a new tab. And here we can see that the same file which we have uploaded in our Google Drive in PNG format, in image format, is now converted using CloudConvert, and the same file is now present in PDF format. So this means half of the automation which we are willing to set up is completed. Till now in this automation, we have received the new files from Google Drive, and using CloudConvert, we have converted the format of those files into PDF file. Now let's move to the last step, and that is to upload these files, upload this converted files, PDF files into our pCloud account. Now to do so, just scroll down, and for the one last time, click on this Add Action Step button over here. And then here in Choose App, search for pCloud. Select pCloud. Then in Action Event from the drop down, select Action Event as Upload a File in Folder. The last action event, Upload a File in Folder. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, guys, we have to connect our pCloud account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the email address, password and host name of our pCloud account. Now, guys, you must be having the email address and password of your pCloud account, but to get the host name, you have to refer to the help text given below over here. So the help text over here says enter pCloud data server host name here based on data region. If your data region is United States, then you need to enter host name as this. In case your data region is European Union, then you need to enter the host name as this. So to find your pCloud data region under settings and accounts. Now guys, on the basis that on what data region our pCloud account is situated, we have to enter the host name. So you must be capable of entering the email address and password. But to guess the host name, we have to first find the data region of our pCloud account. So to find the data region, just go to a pCloud account. From the right side, go to settings. And after clicking on settings, just scroll down and here you can see that data region. So the data region of my pCloud account is United States. So the help text says if the United States is your data region, just enter this link or this text over here in this host name. And in case your data region of your pCloud account is European Union, then you should use this text to enter the host name. So after entering email, password and hostname, just click on save to make the connection between pCloud and Pabbly Connect. I have already made the connection, so I will be using my existing connection and I'll click on save as well. So after connecting our pCloud account, the next thing it asks us is the folder name, that in which folder in our pCloud account we want to upload this file. So in my pCloud account, I have created three different folders: my music, my picture and my video. And I want to upload all of these new PDF files into my pictures in this particular folder. So from the drop down below, I will be selecting this folder. Then it is asking us for the file URL, that what is the URL of the file which we want to upload on pCloud. So from the step of Cloud Convert get job details, we have received the URL of the converted file. So we have converted the file which we have received from Google Drive into PDF using Cloud Convert, and we will be mapping this result file URL of the converted file over here in this file URL. And as we all saw, the process of mapping is simple. Just click here, and from the step of Cloud Convert get job details, we will scroll down and map the response of file URL. After mapping the file URL, we have to map the file name. So here in the same step, we also have received the file name. So we will be mapping the file name as well. Just click here, and from the Cloud Convert get job details step, select the response of file name and map it. And after mapping both of these details, just click on save and send test request. So now when we click on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the URL of the file which we have mapped over here, the same file has been uploaded by this name in our pCloud account. So let's check our pCloud account. We'll go to pCloud, my pictures, and yes, here we can see that a new file is uploaded on our pCloud account. And this is the PDF file, the converted file format of the same file, same image which we have uploaded on Google Drive. So just now in this video, we saw that we have uploaded our image on Google Drive, and using this automation, the format of this file has been converted to PDF, and then we have uploaded the PDF file in our pCloud account. So guys, using this automation, whenever now a new file will be uploaded in Google Drive, automatically we will convert the file format into our own desired format, and we will upload that newly converted file in the new format into a pCloud account. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, Pabbly Connect offers you a forever free plan. And in this plan, you will get free tasks into your own Pabbly Connect account for absolutely free every month. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.